Alright, welcome back to another review video.
Because we haven't done one in like 40,000 years.
Now, we are going to be reviewing this Flashback Blast arcade, whatever
Stupid
this is.
$5 POS we picked up at Walmart.
Yeah. It has 20 built-in games. It has a real
Fake
Indiana
Jones on the front.
with a crocodile about to bite him.
Dude, this is fake Indiana Jones, bro.
Now, let's go over here to the easy to setup mode. I'm not going to read that. You guys can. Now let's go to the back. Let's go to the games.
Now,
section.
quick question, boys. Do you recognize any of these games?
Do any
No.
of you know any of
You
these
don't.
games? It's dumb. Okay. Now over here, we got some more stuff. Now on the bottom, it's age 15 and up.
Alright, you want me to start it?
Wait.
You want to undo your tape?
Packaging must be retained since it contains important information. Controller requires two AAA batteries. Not included. Wait, it just said there's no batteries included.
Oh well.
Open Sesame.
Some pretty dull scissors, bro. You don't have to.
Now we just rip it open.
You have to. Nice, you just ripped out the whole
Cell
console.
phone. Oh my. Dude, that feels so weird.
Dude, what the fuck is this? Is this the console?
This is the code. That's pretty much what you plug into your...
Actually, you know,
That's pretty much what you plug into
for being
your
a
TV.
tiny arcade game console thing, has surprisingly newer tech, like kind of like the Roku
Do you know what these stickers?
streaming sticks.
It comes with free stickers.
Kind of like the Roku streaming sticks. You just plug it right into your TV. I mean, this is really crappy because it doesn't have any decent games on it. I mean, it has like fake piece of crap games on it, but I mean, it still has things.
Dude.
On it. You just plug it into your
Do this
TV.
controller.
Feels like it's $5, man.
I want to feel this. Yeah, it's real.
Ooh, that one's really stiff.
The X button.
I mean, it's usable. That's all I have to say about it.
Alright.
Alright, blast! Oh, wait, hold on. I can give you guys the full experience. Blast! They have a bunch of...
That's a big manual.
They have a bunch of other ones. Oh, one of them was Pac-Man and Space Invaders. So we got the fucking shitty one? There's a bunch of other ones with, like, actual decent games on them. At least decent old-ass games. Like, I don't know, Space Invaders and stuff. Instead, we got the one with, like, fake Indiana Jones fucking rip-off. Really? Wow. That's lame. Alright, here's how you set it up. See this? You plug that into your TV, you plug it into that, and then you put batteries in here, turn this on, and then you can use it.
Exactly. Now, we're going to go test that out real quick.
Be right back with a...
Alright, so we got it set up. And this is what it looks like. And there's no home screen music.
Yeah, it's pretty bad.
But there is sound.
I mean,
What's over here?
honestly, it's just... eh?
What is this? It seems like a drug game. That seems like... I don't know. What's over here?
Star Master. You should play Star Master. That'd be like a rip-off of Galaga. Also,
Where's
by the way,
A
this
button?
guy, I mean, I'll only
Alright.
give it props for the literal tech they used, which was like a stick you just plug into the TV nowadays. It's just
Copyright
so much easier.
1982.
What the fuck? I mean, and wireless controller, I mean, for $5. Kind of crap, but I mean, give it props for the tech they used. Other than that, crappy games. Not the greatest quality ever, really. But I mean, it's a thing. It's tech. We haven't made a video in like 40,000 years.
That's pause.
You're playing right now, apparently.
What? How do you play this? Now it's just literally paused.
I think I just clicked the
Did
menu
it just
button.
crash?
No, I think I clicked the menu button here.
Go to a different game that
Let's do
Atlantis.
Atlantis.
How do you play? Oh,
Oh. Actually, I think I've heard of this game before. I'm controlling the game with one button. You can literally Thanos it by holding
Stop
B.
time.
I'm pretty sure there's even rewind. Yeah. Boy, I can rewind. Well, ladies and gentlemen, if you're really horrible at video games and you want to get that perfect score, there's rewinding.
basically we started the game. Whoa. Too fast.
Ooh, I got one of the super...
Ooh, the Jets.
Oh, I got
Did you
evaporated.
die?
I think so.
You did?
Nah, dude, I didn't die.
Rewind. You're just rewinding to your death.
Yeah, I'm just rewinding to my death. Oh, I can just click start. Brody. Oh, I missed that one. Heck yeah, bro.
How is this even fun in the days?
Dude, honestly, the maximum amount of time I would spend on this...
Dude, look up for
This
that.
is stupid. This is just stupid. Really? Kids can just go play on their fucking Xboxes or something nowadays. This would be impressive if they put Minecraft on it. Like a fake ripoff of Minecraft would be way better. Even if you couldn't even place blocks or something. You just use X. I mean A, I mean. And you just died. Alright, well,
I'm alive.
That's our video, guys. Hope you guys
Guys,
enjoyed.
there's actually a Death Star. Hang on, let me go back to the. Can I go back? Menu?
You just click on
Yes.
menu. A. You're clicking. Dude, I got this, dude.
It's fucking.
Click menu. Save
I don't
successful. You just
wanna
save.
save. Menu.
Menu A. Oh, you saved. C.
C. This one.
There we go.
Woo! Dude, navigating this thing is so dumb.
Yeah. Activision. I honestly don't know if these are Activision games, but they seem kind of boring. We're gonna test out this last one, and that's it. What the hell? All right, thanks for watching.
Oh, what the fuck? This is Crossy Road.
It's just classic Crossy Road.
It's like
just go, dude.
It's retro Crossy Road.
Go. Just straight up.
Oh, I got
Sprint.
hit. Oh. You know, this is actually 2 players. If we actually had 2 controllers.
What? Why the hell did they make it like a... Oh my god, this is so stupid. Well,
yeah,
thanks for
hope you guys
watching,
enjoyed it,
guys.
We'll see you on the next tech video. Later, dogs.
Yeah.